Hello everyone, it's Songling here. I am a home cook and I love eating. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is where I share simple, delicious, and healthy recipes that you can recreate at home. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. I post every Monday and Thursday. Today I'm showing you how to make balsamic roasted Brussels sprouts. This miniature cabbage-like thing is very interesting. I had never thought that something could be bitter and tasteless at the same time until I first tried Brussels sprouts steamed. It was on my list of healthy vegetables to keep away from for many years until one day I tried it roasted. Total game changer. I was shocked and quickly became addicted, and now it's one of my go-to side dishes to make at home. Alright, let's get cooking. Here's all you need. As always, I will put the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius and cut the Brussels sprouts in half. Whenever you're roasting vegetables, always make sure that the surface is completely dry or they will steam in the oven instead. I have a quarter cup of slivered almonds. Use a dry pan and toast them on medium heat. Shake the pan occasionally to get all sides golden brown. Once you can smell that lovely toasted flavor, turn the heat off, transfer to a bowl, and set it aside. Walnuts will also work for this recipe. And for those of you with nut allergies, you can skip this step. Cut the bacon into small pieces and fry them in a pan. When you're done, transfer onto a paper towel to absorb the excess grease. I used 2 strips for 1 pound of Brussels sprouts. Feel free to adjust the amount to your own liking. Now in a large bowl, toss the halved Brussels sprouts with olive oil until it's well coated. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Spread the Brussels sprouts flat side down onto a large enough sheet tray so that there's no overlapping. Roast them for 20 minutes in the oven, flipping halfway. When it's done, transfer the Brussels sprouts back to the large bowl. Add the bacon and almonds, drizzle 2 tablespoons of balsamic reduction, toss to combine, and you just made some seriously delicious roasted Brussels sprouts that your dinner guests will fight over. The balsamic reduction was left over from when I made caprese salad. I will link the recipe down below. It's super easy to make. If you had a similar experience with steamed Brussels sprouts like I did, give this recipe a try. It's truly delicious and will for sure change your mind. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. I am here every Monday and Thursday. Also leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!